guidelines given to you? Like, what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie, ना? ये तो कुछ हटके है. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from...
So, he's not only music director for this film, he's also a writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot and lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he's slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing.
I said my time of
the biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The process of learning never stops.
yeah, exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this will like, we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like, maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that, the fishermen, I thought, oh, and I'm also a beach lover because I'm based out of Chennai. And I grew up always, going and sitting alone on the beach, listening to Ilayaraja sir's music, listening to Michael Jackson's music. So, yeah, I think you should give a huge round of applause to Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson.
Alone another top.
Alone at different times, uncle. So, yeah. So, like, I don't know, the sound of water always inspires me, and I could hear the sound of an ocean all through the narration when they were saying it. So that's why in all the lyrics, I would have somehow brought in a reference of the saltness of the water. Or
You were going to sing a song last time. Now you must be ready by now. By now you would be ready.
Oh my God.
Give us a few
No,
lines.
this is like I'm sitting in front of a school teacher. It's like, hey, don't escape your homework.
No, we are the audience. You cannot escape the audience.
Sure, sir. So that's how it started, and I loved what they narrated, sir. And then we right away, like we actually dived into the ocean of his narration. Yeah. And then we came out with this, and they made it so beautifully, sir. Every emotion was like beautiful in the movie. So I should thank them for making this amazing script, and of course.
See, this is what they want. Amir sir ने सही करवा दिया यहाँ. Sir, this is just a bahana, sir. Every time